All right, the list grows on. So here we go. We're going to get our nice wide base. We're going to start by doing a turn pound into an under dribble. Turn pound, under dribble, foot switch. Then we're going to do a partial step and drop the ball through. Continue on with our inside foot, left, right, up into our shot. Got it? So here's what that looks like. Okay, have the ball in the right hand. I turn pound, under dribble, foot switch, up into that shot. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it to the other side again, going about 50% on the first time just to get the footwork down, especially when you switch from right side to left side or vice versa, just to get used to the movement. Okay, so ball's on left side, I turn pound, okay, step forward, under dribble, foot switch, between, right, left, up into our shot. Okay, so I'm gonna go slow this first rep. Okay, so we go turn pound, under, foot switch, between. Okay, didn't really go 50%. I went a little harder, and the ball I about lost it. So here we go. Let's do it again. Turn pound, under, foot switch. All right, there we go. That is a long list of things to do, but go ahead and keep on. This is called skill stacking, stacking those skills on top of each other. Have fun. Let's get it.